Everybody, my name is David. I'm a KOK Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. I'm giving you guys a quick market update. So if you look at Bitcoin right now, oh come on, okay, sorry. And I told you guys in the other video that don't worry about this pump up unless it breaks $53,000. It doesn't mean anything. It needs to break 53,000 or 53,500 between that range, and then use that range as support. We didn't even get to 53,000, and we dumped, right? We fell off pretty hard. by all means, I'm not surprised, because I kept saying that that's the case if we don't break 53,000 right now. If it heads further down, look at 46,000, around 47,000 and 46,988 or 45,800, around that, to be more support. This chart is by Optical Arts. I am a subscribed member. I highly recommend him. He's great. His charts are legit, especially if you're a short-term trader. I'm not. I subscribe to him because I do like to see where his thoughts are, and his calls are typically just right. So, because these charts are incredible. Once again, yeah, if we go down, just look at 46,800. So basically, the down case is if Bitcoin goes down around 46,000, the higher end of 46,000, you're going to see some support, because you see it on both charts. 46,800 other one, 46,988 here. But if it goes further down, 45,000. Okay, 45,000, around 45,800, and then even if it breaks down even more, you'll see for about 45,100. Okay, if it moves up, you have a lot of resistance. All right, 40,000, even 48,000, around 48,400, 49,700, 50,000. Those are all resistance points. Right now, it seems like Bitcoin, it could move up, but once again, unless it breaks 53,000, all of it doesn't mean nothing. It's going down, okay? Now, the main point is, though, if you look at the weekly, look at this number here. That's 43,000, yeah? So, can Bitcoin go back down around 43, 42,000? Yeah, I think so. However, we want to stay above this. We want to stay above, 39,500, okay? We want to stay, because these are weekly charts. These are longer time frames, all right? Longer time frames mean a lot more in the long run than the shorter time frames. Okay, so right now, this is the lowest we went on the weekly from this run. But, we had a run. We had a low, a higher low. Okay? A high, a higher high. We have another low, which is a higher low than the previous low. If it could just manage to stay above and get some strength, and boom, if it moves up, hopefully it can make a higher high. All right? On the daily, it seems like, there's some more lows to go. You're going to have some ups and downs, but probably some more downway for Bitcoin. For KOK-COIN, I'm going to use KOK-COIN's chart. And this is, remember in the previous video, what did I say about KOK-COIN? If it doesn't hold, if it breaks 40, like 42, 43 cents, that when it goes down, this top part here, that's going to be the next support, like 490, right? And so if you look at KOK-COIN, KOK-COIN Exchange, I want you to look at this number here. You look at this right here on the green, that's $5, okay? So look at the green, is around $5, okay? And then notice that wick on the green is exactly where the wick on the red touched right here. Okay, which is the same price point, around just about. All right, and I said, so around you know, whatever, $5, even all the way down to here or here, but around this range. Okay, you want to look at 420, 419 to 5. That's going to be strong support in that range. And you can see as soon as that red wick touched the green wick, it moved back up. All right, right now KOK-COIN is about 544. It's still good. It's still good. Right here, you see on this green candle that went up, shot up, and then went back down, and then the next day it printed. Okay, that's about 555, and if we go here about 550, it is under that. We need KOK-COIN to push above it. All right, if you look here, same thing. This is, I guess, like all the other exchanges put together, and I said you break that point here, then there's not much support until you get around here, and it did break, and it got pretty far down. Okay, so, but once again, I said, you know, KOK-COIN's correlation isn't that tied into Bitcoin, so KOK-COIN can start pushing back up. You know, if you looked, it went to $5, but the next 8-hour wick, it went all the way down to like 570. Okay, so KOK-COIN could start making a move up. So technically, it still looks good. It still looks strong. It still looks strong. Okay, it's not a big deal right now. All right, so KOK-COIN is still looking good. It's still holding strong in the support. And remember, just not too long ago, you had a peak, so it needs to retrace, but it's finding strong support where it needs support. So KOK-COIN still looks good. Bitcoin hasn't been able to break 53,000. I still think it still got some more downways, even though you got some ups and downs throughout the day. But on the weekly, as long as Bitcoin doesn't break the previous low on the weekly, we're still headed up. It's still moving up. It's still looking good, but we have to be able to hold it. We have to be able to hold it. Short term, maybe, you know, you still got some maybe down, or maybe today could go up because you had a big wick down, but maybe it'll still go down. It really doesn't matter. And we got to see, we could see some momentum switch. It's not breaking 53,000. So that's it. All right, KOK-COIN still looking pretty good. Bitcoin, as long as it didn't break the previous low on the weekly, even though it might still go down some, it's all right. Okay, that's if you're a bull. If you're a bear, well, it's still just like if you're a bull, you need Bitcoin to break 53,000, around 53,000, 53,500, and break in and use it for support. Same thing, if you're a bear, you need Bitcoin. If you want Bitcoin to go down, it has to break the previous weekly low. All right, until then, even though it went down, it still doesn't mean much either. All right, everyone, stay blessed. Okay, take good care of yourself. God bless y'all. Stay healthy. All right, really be spiritually healthy, everyone. Okay, so God bless y'all. KOK-COIN.